What if I told you that Google Chrome might be downloading a massive 4 GB AI model onto your computer right now, and most people have absolutely no idea it's happening? You didn't click download, you didn't install any AI software, yet your storage space keeps disappearing. Your internet data is being used and Chrome could be the reason. In this video, I'll show you exactly why Chrome is downloading this AI model, whether it's actually useful or how to check if it's already on your PC, and most importantly, how to stop it and reclaim your storage in less than a minute. Before you ignore this, open your Chrome setting after watching this video. You might be surprised by what you find. Let's be started. This is our culprit file, weights.bin. You can get it on your file manager. I will show you the full folder structure, how you can get this file, and how to delete it. So let's get started. To reduce this problem, we can switch our browser to Brave or Firefox. It's a minimal solution, but if you want to use Google Chrome, then you have to do few things. First of all, you have to open Google Chrome. And why Chrome is downloading this weight.bin file, especially it's Google Nano AI model, which Google is downloading in the background. Nano AI model especially works for day-to-day tasks, text prompting, and autofill. If you don't want this, you can delete this file or disable this file. So how we can do that? Just click on the three dot on Google Chrome and look for the settings. Open settings, then look for the AI innovation in the left sidebar. Then click on help me write on the AI innovation option. Then disable the offer writing help. After that, take a new tab and search for Chrome://flags. And then in the search bar, you have to search for a flag called Nano. And then disable all the Nano file. After disable that, you have to look for another Chrome URL that is called Chrome://on-device internal. Click on the Chrome URLs and enable the internals. I will give you the every command which is using here in the description and comment box. Then go to the model status and click on uninstall. It will automatically uninstall the file, the 4 GB file. To check that, we have to open our file manager. Then go to local disk C and look for the users. Click on your user's name. Then you have to click on app data. Before doing that, you have to enable the hidden file. So look for app data, click on local, then look for Google, then Chrome, then user data, then look for oft guide on device classified model. And you can see weights.bin is still here. We have to delete this file again. Then we have to create a demo file. So right click and click on new, a text document. Open the text document, click on file, click on save as, and check for the all files, save as type, then give it a name, weights.bin. Click on save. After that, we have to open terminal. So press shift and right click on the empty space and look for open PowerShell window. And then we have to type a command. I will give you the command in the description. This command will make the weights.bin read only. So Google Chrome will not write on this file. After that, we have to relaunch the Google Chrome. And now we successfully delete 4 GB AI model weights.bin file from our computer, and it will not download again. Thank you.